ukimaliza kudownload itaonekana hivi, kuonekana if you extract, say extract files here, when you extract, baada ya extract itakuja hapa hivi Navara. So what you do, you just get it like this. Ukiingia then unabonyeza hapo, then unaanza ku start nigga na start. Ukitaka maybe automatic transmission unabonyeza hapa, inakupeleka kwenye automatic transmission. Utakurudi pale nyuma, ukitaka maybe engine control system unabonyeza hapa control system, inakupeleka kwenye engine control system. So unaona itakuonyesha hizi madiagram zote manini. Tukirudi hapa nyuma kusema maybe ukitaka kwenye like nini engine cooling system, engine mechanical pa funga engine mechanical pa funga engine mechanical, peleka huko kwenye engine mechanical. Unaona kuonyesha vitu madoido yote, unaona haya madoido yote, right? Ukitaka maybe immobilizer, and everyone is about immobilizer. What is that immobilizer thing, nigga? What is starting? Maybe that's starting system, probably. Engine control. Where is he? Where is he, my friend? Where is he? Okay, whatever. I'm looking for that thing. Where is that mobilizer system? I'll say it. Which system would it be? Maybe not instrument panel. Electrical body control system, not body. Starting. I think it's starting. Look for immobilizer, right? Mobilizer system. Co-op. Okay, but whatever. You've seen the content, right? So this how you check it, right?